Running a dehumidifier hose into a basement sewer cleanout can be a smart way to keep moisture in check without creating a mess or risking sewer gases inside your home. So, here's the lowdown. You can totally hook up your dehumidifier drain hose to your basement sewer cleanout, but you want to do it right to avoid any nasty smells or backups. First off, ditch the metal cap on the cleanout and swap it for a plastic one, because plastic is easier to work with and less likely to rust or corrode. Then, get yourself a donut-shaped internal Fernco coupling to connect a new cleanout fitting. From there, add a T-fitting that includes a P-trap and a standpipe to catch any sewer smells and keep the water flowing smoothly. Don't forget to vent it properly so air pressure doesn't cause gurgling or slow drainage. If you're not confident cutting into pipes or assembling fittings, it's cool to call a pro because a bad hookup can mean big headaches later. Also, keep the hose length short and make sure it slopes downward gently to prevent water from pooling. This setup keeps your basement dry without any gross sewer gas surprises. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to run a dehumidifier hose into a basement sewer cleanout is skipping the P-trap, which lets sewer gases sneak back into your space. Easy fix, just install that trap with a vent. Another common issue is using metal caps or fittings that rust and get stuck over time. Switching to plastic parts saves you from future headaches. The third problem is not venting the trap properly, which can cause slow drainage or gurgling noises. Adding a vent pipe equalizes pressure and keeps things running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you need help finding reliable local contractors who really know their stuff for projects like this. It also gives contractors a chance to connect with homeowners looking for solid work, making it easier for everyone involved.